Hey guys, welcome to Learn Web API in 7 days course. In this video I am going to talk about what we need in order to create ASP.NET Web API application. So we will be creating ASP.NET Web API application in a while in our next video, but here let's discuss what we need. Well, we need Visual Studio. We can have either of these three versions, 2012, 2015 or 2017, and you can download Visual Studio from Microsoft Visual Studio Download Center, and once download is complete you can install it. For installation there are a couple of choices which you can choose whatever setup you want. And once the installation is complete, then you can start using Visual Studio, and then we can create ASP.NET Web API application, which we will do in our next video. So now let's see how we can download Microsoft Visual Studio and how we can install it and start using it. So just open a web browser and here type in download Visual Studio. Okay, and now you can see this link here. You can follow this link. It will take you to Microsoft Visual Studio Download Center. Now you can see here there are a couple of choices. You can download the community version, you can download a professional version and also enterprise version. Now since Microsoft has started this open source, so here you can see Visual Studio code can also be downloaded from here. So Microsoft has actually started open source also, and you can download this course and this source code of Visual Studio, and you can do modifications whatever you want to do. But for our usage the best version is this community version. We can download this community version and start using this, and this is latest version, Visual Studio 2017. So you just download this by clicking on this link. Visual Studio download will start in a few seconds. Here it has started downloading. Okay, now you just open this, and then installation will start now. Okay, well, on my machine I already have Visual Studio installed, and it is 2017, so I don't want to do reinstallation, but you guys can follow this video which is running on this download page here, and then you can say continue, and then you can install the Visual Studio. Once you have installed Visual Studio, then you can open it, and you need to open Visual Studio in admin mode, otherwise some of the applications won't work properly. So just right click on the Visual Studio shortcut, and then again right click on this link and say run as administrator, and then Visual Studio will start running as administrator. It's opening, and it will open up. So this is how we can install latest version of Visual Studio, and in our next lecture we will see how we can create ASP.NET Web API application. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next lecture.